in this video very nice card trick because it's visual and impossible. It's very simple. So subscribe, like, share this video, and so for this trick you need two cards that will play the role of a sandwich. In my case, this two queen of diamonds, queen of clubs, queen of hearts. I'm sorry. What are you doing? Choose your two queen and put them on top of the deck. You can shuffle your deck somehow. That is, you are doing some kind of triple cut. Triple cut, it's easy. So, this is simplest false cut, like a cut. So take in and train it. Everything will be clear. That is, and then your task is to somehow show the two queen in interesting way. That is, you make a top shot, then you make such a manifestation of the second queen. In principle, for now, everything is quite simple. After which you take and put the two queen face up and ask the spectator to choose some card. But you do not show him this card. You put it under your first queen and with the second queen. You make a 2 count, that is. You put the top 2 card on the break. In this way. While the spectator looked, they counted out 2 cards and make a substitution. The price of substitution is very simple. Really. You just need to carefully study and repeat. So, basically everything you do. It is you who make a 2 for 2 switch. That is, you throw the top 2 cards from your right hand under the bottom 2 cards that you have in your left hand. And choose you have a completed switch. It's really cool. A very cool change. I like her. Hope you like it too. Well, then the simplest thing is left. You take out 3 cards, pick them up, flip them one by one, get ready for your sandwich. Reveal your two queen. Of course, the spectator card is between them. And this is how you reveal the spectator's card. It's very simple, because the most difficult thing here. Yes, there really isn't.